The Conversion, Episode 53 of the Gas Service Animated Series. Move a furnace from natural gas to propane, or back, and you're changing the two numbers that define its fire: how rich the gas is and how hard it's pushed. Get the conversion right and the appliance never knows the difference. Get it wrong and you've built a soot machine or a carbon monoxide factory. There is exactly one right way: the manufacturer's kit. The physics first. Propane carries about 2.5 times the BTU per cubic foot, and it arrives at 10 to 11 inches of water column instead of 3.5. Richer fuel, pushed harder, so to land the same firing rate, the metering hole must shrink. That's the whole conversion in one sentence: same BTU, much smaller orifice. The kit is the law: burner orifices sized for the model, a conversion spring or regulator insert for the gas valve, often a pilot orifice, and the label that re-rates the appliance for its new fuel. Drilling orifices, stretching springs, or close enough parts bin conversions are how legal appliances become evidence. If there's no listed kit for the model doesn't convert. See what the mistakes look like. Natural gas orifices left in on propane, 2.5 times rich, pushed 3 times as hard, a roaring overfire that soots the exchanger and pours out carbon monoxide. Propane orifices run on natural gas, a starved, lazy fire that won't heat the house. The appliance always tells you. Episode 62 taught you its language. The procedure in order: gas off. Swap every burner orifice to the kit spec. Convert the valve, spring or insert, per the instructions. Swap the pilot orifice if the kit includes one. Fuel on, leak check every joint you touched. Then set the manifold pressure to the nameplate for the new fuel. 10 to 11 inches propane, 3.5 natural, with a manometer, not a memory. Then prove the burn. Adjust primary air until the flame reads right, episode 62, and finish with the analyzer. Air-free carbon monoxide inside the appliance's limit, stable numbers at steady state, episodes 41 and 42. A conversion isn't done when it lights. It's done when the numbers say the fire is the fire the nameplate promised. Last, the paperwork on the appliance. Apply the kit's conversion label at the rating plate, note the kit number, date it. The next tech, maybe you in 5 years, must be able to read what fuel this appliance now expects. An unlabeled conversion is a trap set for a stranger. One interaction to remember: altitude. High elevation installs derate, sometimes re-orifice on their own schedule. The code's equivalent orifice tables and the manufacturer's altitude instructions stack with the fuel conversion. 2 tables, 1 appliance. Reconcile both before you size the hole. Conversion in one breath: richer gas, harder push, smaller orifice. Buy the kit and only the kit. Swap, convert the valve, leak check, set the manifold by manometer, prove it with the flame and the analyzer, and label it. Same appliance, honest new fuel. Next, LP safety and the boundary.